Hey guys, I wanted to take a few minutes and just walk you through sharing my screen step by step on how to turn a generic lead campaign and customize it to invite people to a call with you and share a video. So I've had a lot of people ask me, different steps along the way on how to do this. So I'm sharing my screen and hopefully you can see my screen. I am in MyLeadSystemPro right now. And so I'm just going to show you, you just go to my website and go to custom lead campaigns. So just choose one that you would like to work on. So today, I think we'll do the make money from home PDF report. It's just a simple PDF that you can share out. And as you can see, I've shared it out over 66 times and I've got 11 people converted to be on my list, on my MLSP CRM and list. So that's a pretty cool one. And as you can see, you can click the magnifying glass here and just kind of see how it looks. And of course, when you try to leave it, it's going to have a pop-up window. So this is kind of how it looks. It does have your name and picture up at the top, but that's pretty much all that's there. And so we're going to customize it just a bit. Now you can't customize the words or the covers like that, but by just simply going to this little area right here, okay, here's where the customizations are. So whenever you set up your MyLeadSystemPro account originally, you want people's name, phone number, and so all of this is going to go to the default. There's nothing really you need to do here. And going to customizations is where you want to go. So the link that they're talking about here would be a link possibly to a one-on-one call with you. And so I use Calendly. And so I would use my Calendly link / Debbie Halbrook right there. And then right here, you might want to tell a little bit of a story. Hi, I'm Debbie. So glad you clicked the button to receive your PDF on ideas for a home-based business. Please clicking on my calendar will set up the best time and day for you. All right. So here's where you could put the video link. So this is probably one of the biggest questions I get on how do I do that? Okay. So I'm going to open up, and here's the important thing. I'm in Chrome right now. I'm going to go over to Safari and go to MyLeadSystemPro. So I have to be on a different browser to do this. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Got to get out of my business center. And I already recorded a video. And so I'm going to go to my content because I need a link, right? And I'm going to go to MLSP hosted media. And so all I would do here would be add new hosted media right here. And I would upload in the video would upload to here. All right. So then all you have to do to get the link is click on the magnifying glass, and here it is. Click here to select the link. All right. I'm going to edit and copy, and I'm going to go back to Chrome. That's all I'm going to do in Safari. I'm going to go back to Chrome and embed my video link here. All right, and I'm going to save generic lead gen campaign. Invalid opportunity link. Okay, so it didn't like my opportunity link. So I'm just going to go straight to Calendly and pull down that correct link. Copy link. No, not Facebook, right here. So I just pulled the link directly off of my calendar link. And I said, book my call. Okay. And now I'm going to save it again. Oh, it liked that. Okay. So now here's the link that I would share out if somebody was interested in my make money from home, legit build a business from home. Okay. So we click that. And now, as you can see, they're going to ask for the report. Test it here. So now what happens is my video is in there now. And they can book my call right here. You can see it over here. And when I book my call, it's going to go straight to my calendar. So now not only do I want to offer them the PDF, but I have shared my calendar link so we can book a call and get to know each other. And I welcomed them to the PDF, which explains exactly what to do next in the process. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. I hope that helps you. And let me know below if this has helped you. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to go through it with you personally. But customizing done for you PDFs and trainings right from the MLSP center under the generic lead campaigns. Any one of those generic lead campaigns, you can customize adding your own video and adding your calendar to book a call. All right. So hope that helps, and I hope you have an amazing day.